It is really truly a blessing to see you all today, and we are grateful that you can join us for the 5th anniversary of the Ortigas Art Festival. This year, we present to you a bigger and bolder Ortigas Art Festival by painting a broader stroke of Philippine art encompassing various art forms from painting, sculpture, film, photography, fashion, dance, and music.
We aspire for an artistic community, but our dream is to create an art ecosystem that is sustainable and promote art for all. And the best place to start this is here in the mall, where people converge and art is more accessible.
Through the generosity of Ortigas Land, we have been offering art for free to the general public for 5 years now. Some might ask, what good is art to the average person? I believe that art provokes thought, and I believe that this is a good thing.
May our experience of art keep the hope alive in us, all that things can always be better and brighter. Mabuhay po ang lahat, mabuhay po ang Philippine cinema, at mabuhay ang Ortigas Arts Festival.
Nothing gives great honor but to be standing before great men and women of arts, such as the artists, art lovers, and patrons of Filipino fashion. I'd like to thank the heads of the organizing committee in granting this privilege for someone like me, an instrument of the fashion industry.
I would therefore like to congratulate Estancia at Capitol Commons for hosting this wonderful Ortigas Arts Festival.
Look at the children's work and please do enjoy the joy of our children in creating their artistry works for you, really just for you.
Everything you can imagine is real. So welcome to Estancia Mall and enjoy every day.